In this video, we are going to see how we can add different family members to your Facebook profile. So whether it is your brother, sister, cousin, etc., you want to add all of them here. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to your profile icon from the top right hand corner and click on the profile. And then you switch to About section. And from here, we click on the personal details. After that, you head over to the family members area. Click on that. And basically, if we want to share it with public, friends of friends, friends, and all, this option is about that. And after that, we start adding our family member. We can also add our pet here. Click on the family member and you just write here, let's say father, and you just write the family member name here. Let's say I wrote a name, and you can choose the relationship from here, brother, save. And as you can see, we have added a family member, and then we add another family member. Let's say XYZ. This is the name, and let's say they are our uncle or cousin, male, save. And basically that is how you can add multiple family members to your list, and you can individually allow them to share it with your friends or specific people for each one of them, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.